everyone. In this video, we'll talk about investment proof submitted to your employer. You have been noticed all the employer has given notification to all of their employees asking them to submit the actual proof of the investment, whatever they have declared during beginning of the year. And if you do not submit, so you will have to pay a lot of tax during your January month salary, February month salary, and March month salary. So I would request all of you to please go through the video. Do not skip it. So I have prepared this video. You will have a detailed guidance about how to submit the actual. So let's go to the video. So first, most important doubt everyone has got, if they have got applied during their investment declaration, whether they have to go with they have picked in old regime or new regime. So do not worry. So those who have applied for old regime, I have given these others proof they can submit. Those who have applied new regime, even do not worry. They have very limited investment proof to be submitted. But during your income tax filing, while you will file your income tax return, that time also you can change from new regime to old regime. So do not worry about that. Only the thing is, those who have applied new regime, they have to pay tax now while filing the refund, income tax return, they can claim the refund. So let's talk about the old regime and new regime. Here you can see standard deduction, which is 50,000 in old regime. Yes, they can avail. No need to submit any proof. New regime also they can avail. HRA, house rent allowance. So old regime, yes, they can avail. They need to submit the rental receipt or rental agreement. They need to upload in their employer portal for claiming this exemption. For new regime, no, it is not allowed. Similarly, home loan interest, which is 2 lakhs, or 80 section, which is 3 lakh. Yes, they can avail in old regime. New regime, no, they cannot avail. Under Section 80C, which include your LIC, your public provident fund, your fixed deposits, Sukanya Samruddhi scheme, uh, everything will be allowed here. In old regime, new regime, it is not allowed. Medical insurance under Section 80D, which is allowed in old regime, which is not allowed in new regime. Education loan interest, which is allowed old regime and which is not allowed. You can see. Similarly, LTL leave travel allowance, you can see. NPS, if you want to detail about NPS, in my earlier video, I have told the 80CCD2 and 80CCD1B. You can refer my um, old video for further guidance. These are the sections where you can declare your income tax if you are in the old regime. So, first step is house rent allowance. House rent allowance, you can declare an interest on housing loan, and similarly, ATC, you can invest in LIC, PPF, PPF, similarly, National Pension Scheme, medical insurance premium, ATT, interest on education loan, deduction for house rent paid. If you have not applied for HRA, this is 80GG section. Similarly, interest from your savings account, which is allowed to exemption 10,000 if it is less than 60. Similarly, physical disability. So let's go about first and foremost important section. Many of I would request to all of you to claim this exemption, which is very very important. So I have given best declaration here. Easily you will understand. For example, Mr. A is a salaried employee, lives in a flat in Kolkata, pay monthly rent of 15,000. He received HRA monthly of 9,167. So HRA 9,167 in his pay slip. This is the pay slip breakup. You can see his total monthly salary 42,000. In this, you can see the breakup where HRA mentioned 9,167. So HRA calculation very simple. Actual rent paid minus 10% of basic salary. So here above we have mentioned he's paying 15,000 and 10% of basic salary 21,927. 10% is 10% you have to reduce. So if you reduce 10 percentage, so you will have a number. Then actual HRA offered. So actual HRA offered is 9,167 as per payslip and 50% of basic salary. So your basic salary is 21,927. In that 50%, you will get a number. So if you compare all these number, 9,167 is lower one. Whichever is lower is allowed. So this is pretty simple calculation. Similarly, tax benefit for purchasing property through the home loan. Many people have got a lot of query how to claim home loan, which section. So section 24, if you see there will be option in section 24 to claim your home loan interest of 2 lakh. Then many people have doubt regarding the principal. So here interest you can claim under section 24, whereas your principal you can claim under section 80C. Again, ATC including your employee PF. not employer contribution, your employee contribution, public provident fund, fixed deposit, mutual fund, Sukanya Samruddhi scheme, everything included in ATC. Including that also you have housing loan principal. 80EE and 80EE is a new section. 80EE is interest on home loan. I will in the next slide I will tell you about more about this section. You for now you can understand the 80EE interest on housing loan extra additional 50,000. So about 24 2 lakh and here 50,000 2 lakh 50,000. 80EE a new section which is introduced in recently which is additional 1.5 lakh. See, you can see understand here about the 80EE section. So 80EE section about the who can avail this benefit about the interest on housing loan 50,000 you have seen that I have told you. So loan to be sanctioned between 1st April 2016 to 31st March 2017. And value of the property should be uh, 50 lakh, maximum 50 lakh. So the loan should be taken from a financial institution. So in this case, you can claim additional 50,000. So stamp duty value of the house property should be less than 45 lakhs. So this is the criteria, and this should be your first house. Amount of loan should not be, up to 35 lakh. Should not be more than 35 lakh. So you can go through these steps. Similarly, additional deduction from the affordable housing loan for the Section 80 EEA, which up to 1.5 lakh additional you can claim. So these are the eligibility terms and condition. Maximum stamp duty of the value should be 45 lakh. In maximum carpet area is 60 square meter. All these they are given Metro City. Other than Metro City is 90. So this is an additional apart from 2 lakh, you can claim 1.5 lakh. So total 3.5 lakh, you can claim the interest. Similarly, in tax deduction on under Section 80C, like many people I noticed they are dumping in 80C. So do not invest more than 1,50,000. Suppose you see your PF. Some people their PF monthly deduction is 8,000 per month for employee. Contribution, not employer contribution. So employee contribution 8,000 means in a year you have 96,000, right? So balance you can do only 1 lakh, total 1,50,000, out of which 96,000 your PF gone, right? So remaining 54,000 you can invest maximum. Do not invest. I have seen many people they invest 3 lakh, 4 lakh in ATC. Do not do that mistake. You can invest in NPS. NPS you can get additional exemption. So similarly in 1.5 lakh, what are the details you can invest? You can do life insurance, then equity savings like mutual fund, then your employee provident I have told you, then public provident also you include here, national pension scheme NPS, which is you know then national savings certificate NSC, then you have Sukanya Samruddhi, you have fixed deposit, post office savings scheme, then tuition fees, then your home loan principal, all this included here in it. Similarly, tax deduction under Section 80D. So 80D, definitely everyone would have the medical insurance premium they are paying in order to secure their families and their individual. So if something is provided by the employer free of cost, then you cannot claim as a deductions. Some companies, they provide insurance for their families, employee. So if you have taken any insurance and you are paying for that premium, definitely you can claim. So if you see scenario, I have given two scenario. One is for self, spouse, dependent kids, and another is for parent. So for everyone is below 60 years, so you can claim 25,000 for you plus 25,000 for your parent. So beyond 60 years, 50,000 for yourself and your family, and 50,000 for your parent. So here I have given the age criteria, right? So also there are even though for some parent they are age 60 year and you have not taken any medical insurance premium, although you have taken medical insurance premium and you have not claimed any expenditure. I mean, you have not claimed any insurance, they have not undergone any surgery, or for claiming insurance premium they have to be 24-hour hospitalized, right? So, but without hospitalization, like for a senior people, they have gone a BP checkup or they have fever, they have gone just buyed some medicine. In that case, also you can claim medicine bill up to 50,000 for a simple checkup, fever, any kind of medical expenditure, medicine bill you are spending for senior citizen, you can claim up to 50,000. This is all about all the section. So I request all of you to do not wait. Submit your income tax documentation proof, whatever you have. At least try to submit your HRA, ATC deductions, medical insurance premium, NPS, whatever you have submit. Try to avoid deduction in the salary for the month of Jan, February, March, because everyone will suffer, right? They will unable to manage their financial crunch. So I would request everyone to submit the proof. And please share. I would humble request everyone with please share my video, subscribe my channel, and definitely put your comment if anything need to be added or any more videos, or if you have further query in terms of income tax, please message me. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.